Hi, I'm Pete from Winthrop Steel, and we buy all kinds of scrap. This is just like one item, and we take this and we run it through a stripper. Sometimes it takes more than once, and you run it through, and we come out with wire that's in that box right over there. If you want to take a picture of that, I'll just shut this off for now, if you can hear me. But that's the results over here. And we buy it either stripped in that box, like that, or we buy it with the insulation on it. And it's priced accordingly. And it's just one of many items that we do buy. We also buy aluminum, brass, non-ferrous, and then we buy ferrous scrap like cast iron, steel, light metal, appliances, that type of stuff. And we're very happy to accommodate you. So if you have anything you want to sell, just give us a call. Thank you.